How to create an email campaign on Brevo. The first things first is access your preferred web browser and head directly to the brevo.com. Now once you're on the website, make sure that you're logged into your account. Since I already logged into my account, let's head into the tutorial. Now once you have successfully logged in, this is going to be your dashboard or your Brevo interface. For you to create an email campaign, just simply go to campaigns and then you can directly click on email or you can go to templates. Now from templates, you just simply go ahead and click on create template and then choose on email template. And from here, you'll just have to name your template name. So let's say testing 101. Now you can add subject. You can also add a preview text, which is going to be shown on the preview. Add your email address, and then the from is going to be the email addresses that you wanted to be sent it to, or the recipients. Now, once everything is set, you can also try to hover around the advanced options. You can customize the reply email addresses. You can customize the to field. You can add tag, you can add attachment, and so on and so forth. Now, once everything is set, just go ahead and save and quit, or you can also go to the next step, which is gonna be customization of your template. And here you can try to go with a default template. If you're selling a product, you can use this template. If you tell a story, you can use this pre-made template. And you can also use your own code or use your own template. Just simply go to template gallery and then customize your own template right there. Now once everything is set, just simply click on save and quit. And there you go. You have created yourself an email campaign on Brevo. So that's how easy you can create an email campaign on Brevo.